Have you heard the saying that the money's in the list? Well, it is. The bigger your email list, the more money you're gonna make. But how do you build that email list? You know what? Today, I'm gonna share one of the most creative ways to get more email subscribers that you've probably never heard of. Hey everyone, I'm Neil Patel, and today I'm gonna share with you how to leverage Facebook groups to build an email list. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe to this channel. That way, whenever I release new marketing information, you'll get notified about it. The first strategy I have for you is repost links. Within your group, whether you have your own group or whether you're participating in someone else's group, if you find a landing page that is relevant to those group members, repost it. When you repost that landing page, and that landing page should be one that offers an ebook, a white paper, maybe a webinar, you'll get more people to go there, and you'll also start collecting more emails. If you're reposting a page that's just like a blog article, you're not really gonna get too many emails. Even if you're using exit intent softwares like HelloBar to collect more emails from your blog, sure, reposting those on Facebook groups may help you collect 1 or 2 more emails, but it's nowhere near as effective as reposting a link to a landing page for an ebook, a white paper, or a webinar opt-in. So try to stick with one of those 3 things. Secondly, if you make your Facebook group private, you can ask onboarding questions to see if people are qualified to join your group. When you make your group private, what you'll find is you can come up with whatever questions you want to ask, such as their name, their email address, their company size. When you have all of these things, 1, you're collecting more emails, but 2, you're letting in much more higher qualified people into your group. You don't want to have the biggest group. You want to have the most qualified group. When you ask these qualifying questions, people start trying to come in. You can then take all these people and store them. With Zapier, you can connect Facebook with, let's say, Google Sheets, and then you can store all these emails in Google Sheets, or you can store them in whatever email provider you're using, such as MailChimp. The third thing I have for you is adding a description to your Facebook group description. By adding a call to action, just letting people know, hey, check out this webinar, check out this cheat sheet, or hey, thank you for joining Neil Patel's advanced marketing group. If you want the step-by-step tutorial on how to get more traffic, first start off here. And by having like a simple call to action like that, you can drive them to a landing page and you'll find that it will cause more emails. And last but not least, anytime you go to a Facebook group or a Facebook page, what do you see first? You see that cover image that they have. Whatever offer that you have, but talk about that offer in your Facebook cover image or header. Once you do that, you'll find that more people will start going to your landing pages because it'll be right in their face. You want that to be the first thing they see, not the last thing, the first thing. And by having it right there front and centered in your design, you're gonna get much more people going to your landing page. That's it. If you're leveraging these tactics, good for you. I'm guessing most of you are not. So if you're not, make sure you go and implement them today. If you like this video, please share, like, subscribe, tell other people about it, even leave a comment. If you have questions, you're not sure how to maximize the emails from your Facebook group or something's not working, leave a comment. I'll help you out. And again, thank you for watching.